All nurses to the nurses station.
As a nurse, you've dedicated your life to helping others. You're on the front lines of patient care, working tirelessly to improve the health and well-being of those in your community. But what about your own financial future? Have you ever felt like you're just barely making ends meet? Like you're working long hours, but not seeing the rewards you deserve? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. The Health Publisher Academy has just released a free ebook that will show you how to become a wealthy nurse in 2023. Healthcare Digital Marketing: 5 Easy Steps to Becoming a Wealthy Nurse in 2023 is your ticket to financial freedom. With this ebook, you'll learn how to use digital marketing to grow your nursing business, increase your income, and create a life of abundance. Imagine being able to work from anywhere in the world, with the flexibility to choose your own hours and set your own schedule. Imagine having the financial freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, and live life on your own terms. And the best part? This ebook is completely free. That's right, you can download it right now, and start taking the first step towards becoming a wealthy nurse in 2023. You might be wondering, how exactly can digital marketing help me become a wealthy nurse? Well, with our ebook, you'll learn how to leverage the power of digital marketing to create a thriving online business. You'll learn how to identify profitable niches, build a strong online presence, and create a steady stream of traffic to your website. So, are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom for you and your family? Then click the blue button below to download our free ebook, Healthcare Digital Marketing: 5 Easy Steps to Becoming a Wealthy Nurse in 2023.